Bapinyo ia ki kubor man lagas ni warklet ban subscribe ya kanai ka channel kana kicha. Jagadish setar manta kasing ublei lo ai jing tho bapaka ba Treh priangsu ya ka tiket ha ka ba ka parti BJP kala IU ban contest ha ka ka election banwan hapo ka jala Karnataka une UMLA ula job adu Henry Sin kanthi kumta ka parti ka Kermen badaimu ban ya Khun ya ka hobali dharwat ha ka central constituency Henry ki jingtmu ka parti kala pulom no usetar ula pernah bu resign no na ka parti BJP balasai ka singi kata khat neutri uyayong unlai penyeso yalade bat ka Congres parti Shushu Chief Minister u Basa Varaj Bommai ulayathu bawat menteri kasat kampuying wa Amit Shah bat national president ka BJP JP Nanda markmat kilakhot ban yakren man pensai penkongo badaga ba Kular usetar ban ai ka pos bahe ba unbat hapo Delhi Henry une menteri ula kantai ya kan ka jingtarwa kumta usetar ula leisha sirsi hapo utara Canada district ban IT ka city resign unong lamprang juga assembly uvish vaishwar hedgi kargeri ubalongru unong ilam ka parti BJP une menteri ula penbana ha ka press conference ha hu bali ula rai ban mi no na ka parti baudan menta walada ula dep Treh ban peniem ya kan ka parti nadu basdang Kidau ba une menteri usyem ya garai ban mi no kalong baharin kato kan nengut kinongilam ka parti kilap ha usetar banom yakun shu ha kan ke election banwan badai ban ailat ikiwe ki badang khambyang karta Henry ulakan tai ban hiar Shuki kajingino une menteri kawan ra ya jingdu ka bakrau ya ka parti namar udai uwe unongilam barat ba jong ka parti hapo ka not Karnataka Dangshan usambut menteri Laksman Sabari uniru ulamino naga parti BJP badlek penyeso elade bad ka Congres parti harin baka tiket jungu lasha kentai.
They met me, they explained so many things and regarding denial ticket everything explained and they asked requested that you please tell the family members please tell any family members we are allowing to give them ticket and contest the election on BJP and alternately you will be given important positions in other respect so you must not contest election they requested but I told my family members don't want to contest any elections this election or any elections and I don't want to any position don't want any other positions as a personally I want to contest election MLA election from this constituency and give me the opportunity to contest whatever the conditions I am going to contest that allowed I requested them but they told again we will communicate to our higher authority party president will come back tomorrow morning so then I told it is time is already delayed 20th is the nomination I decided with due respect to the party I decided to contest the election and tomorrow morning I am going to visit house of the Kageri Hegedeji Vishweshwar Kageri Hegedeji speaker honorable speaker tomorrow I am going to meet him and submit my resignation for the MLA post